Update on the big match, everyone. I'm going to show this to you while I explain what went on. I'm going to shoot 3 racks here, and I'm going to go ball in hand on this first one, and this is how I play the ghost. If I don't have a good look at the one, if it's kind of snookered out, or if there's just no shot, it's blocked off, I'll go ahead and go ball in hand. But if I see the one ball or whatever the first ball is, I'll go ahead and shoot it. And the racks that come after this, there's 2 others, I will not go ball in hand. So let's get back to the update on the good player that I played today. Came over early this morning. I only had 5 hours of sleep. I couldn't go to sleep last night thinking about this, and I was pretty darn tired, I gotta tell you. And I'm not making any excuses because I played kind of okay. We played 21 games. I was streaky. I was actually quite nervous, too. That was something that was really surprising to me, and I'm going to have to deal with that, and I've got some plans in store, and I'll talk to you guys about that. We played kind of like 2 sets. First set, I got him 6-4, and then he wanted to play a best of 7, and I lost that. It was, it was 4-7. So I actually had 10 games, 1 to his 11. So it was just a 1 game difference. And he had more chances to defeat me with a larger margin, and I had chances to defeat him overall. So we can always say that, shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know what? We're playing ourselves here. I kind of let him intimidate me a little bit. Close to a 600 player. I think he's like a 580 right in there. So, and he played decent. If I missed, it was over. I couldn't do anything about it, and I did. I missed a few times and played some safeties that leaked out, and he's a good player. So that's the kind of player you got to play, though. You really do. You gotta go after those kind of guys, and they're going to help you improve your game. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys aren't mad at me that I wasn't able to get by him, but I'm just kidding, you guys. It was fun. So now let's get back to these runouts, and this is the last one. And I have a pretty tricky position play that I'm going to play on this one. I'm not going ball in hand, as I mentioned earlier, and I've got to find that little window right there. So let's see if we can get it done. Notice here, I got really good shape right there. That was tricky because I was worried about that side pocket. Let's talk about this. And then I got to draw back, and I don't want to get right on that 5 ball there, so I had to draw back and bump it, and sure enough, it worked out real good. So everything's open here. Came up short on this. Watch this after I shoot this ball. Watch how I try to use the rails to come around, and I just came up short, and I had to make a heck of a bank shot. Anyway, that'll be it for now, and if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer every one. Watch this video right here, and share this video, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.